Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by removing the old Face ID data so the phone learns a fresh profile. First, open Settings and choose Face ID and Passcode, then enter your passcode. Once you tap Reset Face ID, you clear stored facial maps. This is why you do it first. Now tap Set up Face ID to start the new enrollment. Don't pause here. Follow the on-screen prompts and position your face inside the frame so the true depth camera can capture a full, accurate map. Once Set up Face ID begins, you'll perform 2 complete scans so the system builds a 3D model. You should hold the iPhone about 10 to 20 inches away and keep your face centered. Move your head slowly to capture different angles when prompted. Make sure steady, even lighting helps the true depth camera capture depth details. Avoid backlighting. If you wear glasses, leave them on for 1 scan only if you regularly wear them. Completing both scans gives more. After the second scan finishes, iOS confirms the new Face ID is active. Make sure the toggles for iPhone unlock and other features are enabled. Now test by locking the phone and unlocking with your face, and try authenticating an app or a purchase to validate behavior. If Face ID doesn't work reliably, clean the true depth camera area, remove any case obstruction, restart the iPhone, and update iOS. These steps resolve most problems. If it still fails, contact Apple support for a hardware check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.